Uganda embraced mobile money services in March 2009. 2 years earlier, Kenya had launched the new money transfer service. In 2013, government announced that it would start taxing cash transfers by mobile phones and other money transfer operators. This financial year, telecom companies are implementing taxes on mobile money as mandated by government, in spite of the fact that mobile money use had been aimed at fostering financial inclusion where peasants and other low-income earners were well protected in transacting business. Today, Uganda Law Society has said that it is considering suing government seeking revision of the tax that continues to attract criticism from the public. This was a major discussion during the launch of the second quarter of the Rule of Law report compiled by the Uganda Law Society.
In as far as it has elements of double taxation and the lack of progressivity in social and economic development, we are evaluating the possibility of challenging it. We do not challenge it on the basis of it being a tax, but on the basis of the fact that it has elements of double taxation.
The Deputy Speaker of Parliament Jacob Olanya explained why Parliament okayed the tax.
We are here applauding the Americans and the Dutch people for supporting us. Their people pay taxes without question. They pay taxes. Part of what the taxes they pay is what they bring to us here, and we enjoy it. We thank them every day. We thank the people there.
Another matter in the report was the flouting of the 48-hour rule for suspects. The Law Society highlighted the key cases where security organs are found in violation of the law and their next course of action.
We note the case of the Inspector General, the former Inspector General of Police, who continues to be detained without charges.
We as Uganda Law Society are going to escalate the matter by taking them to court. We've asked people to help us identify those individuals culpable in the breach of these provisions of law, and in the next few weeks we're going to take it a notch higher by filing private proceedings and prosecution against these individuals.
The report also tackled the issue of threatening the electorate during political campaigns.
When the president went around campaigning in Rukongiri and other areas, that if you don't elect so-and-so, no roads will be built in your area. If you don't elect so-and-so, there will be no health facilities. This has to be condemned.
As regards to the forthcoming of local council elections, Professor Sempeba said the method of lining up behind a candidate is detrimental to the fabric of democracy and rule of law. Parliament was blamed for okaying a process that does not conform to free and fair elections. The Deputy Speaker of Parliament Jacob Olanya said that the government is considering lining up during LC elections in order to cut costs. However, there is no guarantee to show that this will not set a precedence, since there has never been enough. Yet in Uganda, over 500 billion shillings is swindled every year in procurement-related cases. Sudhir Yarhanga, NTV.